Being a landscape photographer seems like a dream job. You travel the world and explore the most beautiful places you can ever think of. But in reality, there are a lot of challenges that you have to go through. Being all alone with the nature, it can be uplifting, but it also can be very depressing. When you're out in the field, your days become blurry because everything just meshed together. It's not always warm and it's pretty rarely comfortable. Wake up calls at 1 or 2 a.m. Night shoots through the night. You never get enough sleep. And even getting there for the sun rays in a cold, dark night, the light you want may not happen. And then you have to do it again. And just hope that one of those days will bring you the view that you're looking for. And in the end, there is still no guarantee that you'll get the shot that you want. What would you do? Where would you go? What will you create?